Yes.
Perak
Bob, you get cancer. Cancer seems better to you than you're singing.
I love how I just go from burning that guy alive to Gary just blowing me up.
Hell yeah.
Thought you had me.
That is irony.
I like how Bob got stuck in the thing.
It was kind of ironic. I was killing someone else.
I got stuck on the thing and you all just killed. I think I got stuck on the thing and I was a traitor and you all just killed each other anyway.
Yeah.
Garrrys is like the worst detective I've ever seen.
I really don't like that
again.
Check on the ground, bro. You check it on the ground.
I feel like it's Force. Chaos Force.
Chaos Force.
Chaos Force.
Just kidding, Force. I love you.
Sucker. TP down.
I didn't even do it.
That table is on fire.
You started it on fire.
Whoever comes to the teleporter, I'm killing. So if you're an Inno and you go to the teleporter, you better not.
I want to go to the teleporter.
Why?
But Force, I love you.
Sure.
Force is my wife.
Love him. Oh.
I'm their son. Hashtag Woody family.
Holy shit.
It's Chrono.
It's Chrono.
It's the Planet Fox. Sweet.
What does the fox say?
It says...
Wrong.
It's not.
What is in the fiction? It was a war.
Oh. What?
Frickin' Will D. Lego, man. He's got a grenade. Don't you dare throw that. I will kill you if you throw that. I will literally shoot you in the face. I will quite literally shoot you in the face if you throw that.
Chrono, I'll try and help you. I'll help him.
Wait, Bob.
Pick that up.
Bob,
Pick what up?
Bob, what does the
Okay.
fox say?
It says UMP 5? 9 PM 5?
Wrong. Go ahead, kill me.
We never speak of this again, Swift. I'm out.
Alright. So, who's KOS then? Check. Anybody?
Breakthrough.
Allowed to KOS?
What? Who?
True. Pointing a gun at me, I don't like it.
Breakthrough. Get
Just
tested.
stop running. Alright, go ahead and get tested.
No, I have a tester right here.
No.
Breakthrough. Press E on this, or I'll shoot you.
I'm a man of the land, I'm in on my chin. But if I finish all of my like it's 16.99 in an Amish paradise. Living in an Amish paradise.
Hey, Alarm, you thought you had me, didn't you? You little shit. I hate you. Yeah. How are you getting so quick?
Chaos Alarm.
Because I'm always watching that door. and I never see anyone go in. Maybe God hates you, birthday boy.
I'm a traitor.
I'm a traitor.
Gary.
Never mind, I'm innocent.
And I'm innocent.
If I die, it's
It's like every single time I'm like innocent. It's not fair.
Of course, never tell you about when I met Jesus.
What?
He was a tin man.
Can I trust you?
Spoken to some weird gibberish.
Carter, is this someone
I think
below
it was
you,
called
or are you
Spanish.
just fucking with me?
Yeah, I think he was speaking some like Spanish, and he had this weird circular hat. I'm saying,
your weapon over there.
We'll mow your lawn. And you know, I praised him because he's Jesus.
You throw your weapon.
Carter, you fucking with us right now.
Okay, I trust.
Ain't no traitors gonna be robbing other traitors today. America.
I'm taking a dump. No one's
Blazing, hell's going on here, Chrono? Of course, you got fucked there. Revenge is a bitch.
Dude, Gary, you're swinging.
Gary. Gary, 4. Dealt with some. Shut the fuck up. I'm being dealt with some serious charges.
3 rape charges. I knew you kissed that 5-year-old, dude.
That's a no, not that charge. That. Revenge is a dish best served with hot bullets entering your face.